that smile on your face makes it easy to trust you.
Today I'm going to be showing you this Instagram baddie makeup, hair, and outfit tutorial. It's pretty simple. It's Instagram bitch basic as fuck. I'm not going to talk a lot in this intro because I usually tend to talk a lot, so let's just get right on it. Okay, so first I'm going to prime, as always. I put all my makeup in this little bag because my setup's really ghetto right now. So, it's the only place I can put my makeup. It's hot. I kind of don't want to film with this on. But that kills the vibe. Does it? Yeah, it does. It's hot as fuck. So I start with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Just put that everywhere. It's hot as fuck. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to look. It's a bralette. I'm not naked. Now, I take my Rock Smooth Perfector Instant Line Corrector Primer and also put this on just where my pores are. The Hangover Primer is hydrating and this gets rid of pores. That's why I use both when I'm doing extra makeup like this. Next, what I'm going to do is something I don't usually do, but since it's the Instagram baddie inspired makeup tutorial, what we're going to do is use my Anastasia Dipbrow in dark brown. And the reason I use dark brown is because it looks more dramatic. And it looks, I can get the blend like in the beginning a little better. But I usually use my, I don't even know what it's called. But it's also a different pomade. But it's a lighter color. So I use the darker one when I want to be extra. So what you're going to do for your eyebrows is get that Instagram bitch faded eyebrow. I know y'all all know what I'm talking about, where it's like faded as fuck in the beginning and then sharp as hell. Just make them look fine. I feel it's much easier when you use the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade than any other one I've used before. Because the other one I use is kind of hard to use. I normally wouldn't show myself doing my eyebrows in my video, but I gotta show y'all how to get that Instagram bitch brow. So you start at the end, and you fill your end in, and just get it as like arched and sharp at the end as possible. If it's not perfect, you could always fix it up with concealer, so don't worry about that. Don't make them thick as fuck. I hate when bitches do that. Make them like the perfect size. There's this one. I'm obviously going to clean it up with concealer. It's not perfect right now, but you get the point. Your eyebrows don't have to be like twins. They just have to be sisters. You feel me? Like, look somewhat alike. But the thing with this eyebrow, it always has a way better fade than this side. I swear. It's so annoying. So I filled my brows in. They don't look perfect until I do like an outline with concealer. Then they look bomb as fuck. But for now, that's that. Next, what you're going to do is take your concealer. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. If I can find that shit. Everything's in like this like little bag. I put all my makeup in here because it's usually just like laying out on the floor. I have it neatly set up in a corner. I'm not dirty, but I don't do my videos over there, so I had to put them in here. Get some concealer on the brush, not a lot. Because I hate when bitches have like that thick ass line under their eyebrow. So it has to be blended perfectly. So all you do, I really hope my camera doesn't turn off when I'm talking, but go like this. Put some spots like that under your brow, like that. You take your brush. It's just a flick of the wrist. Like, you have to do it perfectly, and it's like, it takes practice, so you can't do it right at the first time. I know I definitely didn't, so you just take it. Ta-da! It's perfect. And then I take this brush from True Beauty and I just blend this out. Don't worry if you're like under. Under, I think, looks bright as fuck. You're going to put highlighter there anyway. Now, do the same thing to this side right here. And at the end, make sure to get it sharp as fuck. Like the end sharp. You're going to do the top part too, but not with concealer, because I'm going to tell you why. Now, the reason we're not using concealer on the top part is because if you're an Instagram bitch, you have to have Instagram bitch pictures. And when you use concealer on the top, if not blended correctly, or even if it is blended correctly, I always see it, you see like a white line and then your foundation. Like, it shows up if you use flash pictures, and that's how you get good pictures, using flash. So what I do to prevent that is get some foundation. The foundation that you're going to use on your skin, and put that on the back of your hand, a little dot like that. And just use that instead of concealer, because then it'll match your foundation, duh. And this one, you just like do the same thing, but like that. When you do the top, it's when it really makes it look fleeky. What you're gonna do is take a spoolie brush and just blend the shit out of the beginning of your eyebrows. Next, just do your regular foundation routine. Just, you know, the regular schmegular foundation routine. I'm using, as always, L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover 24-Hour Wear foundation mixed with the Tarte Shape Tape foundation in, that would have broken my heart, in light beige. Then I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and the Bright Booster Oil Elixir and just do that. I just infuse it with oil because I feel like it works better. I don't like damping my Beauty Blender. I don't feel like it makes my makeup look any better, so I use oil instead. I blend it on the neck so my neck looks flawless too. Like, you don't want like veins popping out of your neck when you have a flawless face, especially in pictures. Now I'm using the same Tarte Shape Tape foundation in Light Sand to conceal my under eyes. Okay, the Instagram hoe highlight. Under your eyes, bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow. Right here, where your nose looks dark. Your chin and your forehead. You've already highlighted under your eyebrows, so no need to do that. Next, we're going to bake. I'm using the same powder I always use, the Clinique Translucent Powder. To do an Instagram hoe bake, this is what you do. Under your eyes, to get no creases, you have to go like close as fuck to your eyeball. I don't see the point of baking your fucking cheeks. I do literally my under eye. And then, so your eyeshadow doesn't crease, do the same thing to your top lid. And so when your nose sweats, it's not like, because I get holes on my nose, like my makeup, if it sweats it'll look dotty, so bake your nose, bake your chin, and then bake your smile lines. And bake your forehead. You're like, bitch, might as well bake your whole damn face, but no. Okay, while I'm waiting for this to set, what we're gonna do is take that spoolie brush again, and since you've put foundation and everything on your face, your eyebrows might not be as faded, so do that again. This one looks strong as fuck, like it just is not going. It does not want to fade in the beginning. That helped a little. Now I'm going to take a big brush and dust this all off. Let it bake for like 5 minutes. Because the longer it bakes, the longer you have until your your concealer, eyeshadow starts creasing. And then I just drag it onto the rest of my face. So it mattifies it and gets it ready for the next powder. The next powder I feel like is super essential because my Instagram pictures will look so ugly. Like, you will see my baking separating from my foundation. Flashback, that's what it looked like. So to get rid of flashback, I use the Revlon Photo Ready translucent powder, and it says fair light, but it honestly gives no color. It says translucent though, so take this and put it all over your face. This just gets rid of that awkward line of like powder and foundation. And it also just makes your pictures look hella bomb. Next, you take, doesn't matter what brush you use. I take this brush and I take the Tarte Don't Be Afraid to Dazzle Double Duty Beauty Contour and Highlight Palette. So I take the bronze color and just contour my face. You want to get that strong as fuck contour because you are an Instagram bitch. Take it. I don't like to contour my nose. I feel like it just looks ugly, so what I do is I just put some on the side of my nose. So it just bronzes it, makes it look a little better. Take some and put it on the top of your head to make your forehead appear smaller when it's not. And then I just drag some on my neck, just to be extra. Now what you're going to do is take the eyebrow gel and put it on your eyebrows so they don't look so crusted from the powder. Next, what we're going to do is eyeshadow. No, blush. Now you don't want a lot of blush because the Instagram bitch vibe is just golden bronzy. But for a little bit of color to bring some life back into your skin, just put a little bit. You can barely see it, but you see like I'm living, bitch. I'm not dead. My skin isn't all white. So for eyeshadow, we're just going to do the basic Instagram bitch look. And that is take your bronzer, put it in your crease, and highlight your lid. That just gives you like a really, really nice like look. It's nothing too extra. It's nothing too like out there. It just makes you look so bomb. Like, and your pictures turn out so good. I got this idea from Salt on Instagram. So just put it in your crease and accentuate it out. You could bring it down to the outer corners a little bit because you're just putting the highlight in the middle. That looks hella good. And just blend it all the way up to your brow bone like that. Now you're going to take whatever highlighter you're going to use. I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit. And the basic bitch highlight is White Sand. Just looks so good. And you're going to place that dead in the center. Bomb as fuck. It just gives you a good glow. Like, you look glowy. And also you're going to take the White Sand and put it on your inner corner. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner and I'm going to put that on my waterline, top and bottom. Yes, it's going to be uncomfortable as fuck, but beauty is pain, sister. Ah! Please don't cry. The reason for watering your waterline, it makes your eye color pop out way more in pictures. And I see it now already, like, just look at my eyes. This one looks way more brown than this one. I could be tripping, but in this mirror it does. It just makes the color pop, especially if you have brown eyes. It does. I'm not tripping. Now you're going to curl your eyelashes. And I'm going to put two different mascaras on. The Ellen Tracy mascara for length and the Better Than Sex mascara for volume. And most Instagram bitches put falsies on, but I hate falsies. I just think they look fake as fuck. They're not my thing. No matter like how good they end up, like how good I put them on my eye, how good I do them. Even when people like do it, like professional makeup artists, I watch so many videos, they look hella fake and I hate that shit. Hey, okay. Now we're gonna glow our face up with the Anastasia Glow Kit. Take the white sand. On your nose. I don't like to do the bridge of my nose, but you can if you want to. And then I take that eyeshadow brush and put it on my brow bone. For lips, I have no brown lip liner to do this look, so I'm using this eyebrow thing that I found in my makeup collection box. So we're just gonna use this. Pro tip, exfoliate your lips before you do your makeup. And then moisturize them while you're doing your makeup so you don't end up with this problem. Because I was too lazy to get up and get some fucking car wrecks. So I ended up licking my lips this whole time. So as I was saying, do a dark lip all around. Just bring it in like a fade. That is the Instagram signature bitch look. You get like that faded lip shit look. It looks so damn fire. Just put some lip gloss over it. The Instagram bitch lips. That's how you do it. This is it. So you can set your face, but I'm not going nowhere, so don't feel like doing that. For hair, I'm leaving mine straight. Let me see if I'm feeling the middle part. Kind of am. Today is a middle part day. I guess so. Flatten your middle part. No bumps. But flatten that shit. Make sure it's a straight line, a Kim Kardashian straight middle part. And now, you are an Instagram bitch. I'm gonna show you my outfit. And yeah, so hold on, let's go do that. Ooh, my room is a mess. Makeup all on the floor. Okay, this is the outfit. Let me focus. This is the outfit. This is the Instagram bitch outfit. So I have these boots on from Charlotte Russe, I think. They're just high-heeled boots that go to my calves. Then some black leggings, you know. Look at my fucking bump. Oh my god. Yeah, some black leggings, a black bandeau. I obviously wouldn't wear this outfit now that I'm pregnant, but this is my Instagram bitch outfit. And then these two are both from Forever 21. This pink velvet cardigan is from Forever 21 as well. This is your Instagram bitch inspired outfit. So yeah. Okay guys, so that was my makeup tutorial. And that was my outfit and hair and everything that I did for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more video ideas. And also make sure to subscribe to my vlog channel and follow me on all social medias. Oh yeah, I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching as always. Bye guys.
Girl, is you ready? Is you ready, baby? You seem ready. You seem ready, baby.